A serene mosque with soft lighting, and the sound of peaceful recitation in the background. Narrator. Voiceover. Namaz, or salah, is a fundamental pillar of Islam, offering a profound way to establish a spiritual connection with the divine. In this brief video, we will explore the essence of namaz and its significance in the lives of Muslims worldwide. Transition to a series of shots showcasing Muslims from different cultures and backgrounds engaging in prayer. Narrator. Voiceover. Namaz is not merely a set of physical movements. It is a spiritual journey that unites the mind, body, and soul. It is a time for believers to detach themselves from the distractions of the world and focus solely on their relationship with Allah. Transition to an individual performing wudu, ablution, and preparing for prayer. Narrator. Voiceover. Before beginning namaz, one must cleanse themselves through wudu, a ritual purification that symbolizes both physical and spiritual purity. It is a reminder to approach prayer with a clear conscience and a sincere heart. Transition to a person standing in the first position of prayer. Narrator. Voiceover. The act of standing before Allah in prayer signifies humility and submission. In this position, Muslims acknowledge their dependency on the Creator and express their gratitude for His countless blessings. Transition to a person bowing in ruku position. Narrator. Voiceover. Ruku is a position of humility and surrender. Muslims bend their bodies, symbolizing their recognition of Allah's greatness and their willingness to submit to His will. It serves as a reminder of the need for humility and gratitude in all aspects of life. Transition to a person prostrating in sujud position. Narrator. Voiceover. Sujud, or prostration, is the closest a person can physically be to the ground, demonstrating absolute humility and devotion. In this position, Muslims express their complete surrender to Allah and seek His mercy and forgiveness. Transition to a person sitting and reciting supplications. Narrator. Voiceover. Between the prostrations, Muslims sit and engage in supplications. This moment allows for personal communication with Allah, where believers can seek guidance, express their hopes, and offer gratitude for the blessings bestowed upon them. Transition to a group of Muslims concluding prayer with taslim. Narrator. Voiceover. At the end of the prayer, Muslims greet the angels on their shoulders.